Here we go again.
Weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an weather This one? Oh, wait a minute. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again in the evening between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Thank you. Now for the official
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.